Bye-bye, little guy. You're gonna get bigger. Let's go catch some more fish. Whoa. Alright, looks like it should pass pretty soon. Should be able to actually fish once it gets light out. So guess what I forgot? No, it wasn't bug spray this time. It was a rain jacket. And it's raining. That's great. You know what else I forgot? My fishing license. But it's okay, I have digital copies of that on my phone, so I should be good. Well, now we're just waiting for it to become light out so we can do some fishing. And for the rain to stop, because it should hopefully stop soon. I hope. Alright guys, we're going deep in the woods. Walking this little path right here. See if we can utilize this. Whew. Wow, that was hairy. Hey, we got a fish. Look at that, guys. We are on. Hey, I didn't grunt this time. That's a decent little rainbow right there. I don't think he's in the 2-pound book that we're looking for. Oh, well, over. Getting him off the hook's gonna be interesting. No, don't do that. Dude, if you start fighting me, I'm gonna put you back in the water. There. You. Oh, boy, this is hairy. Oh, it's really slick, really slick, really slick. Kids, don't try this at home. This is stupid. It's too wet for this. Maybe I can catch a fish with the camera in the water. That'd be pretty awesome. Bring it right past that camera. Hey, there is a sandbar right there. See that now? Oh, no way! No way, it actually worked. It actually worked. Whoa, slick. No, stay on the water. What are you doing? Oh, you're crazy. Holy cow. It worked. Ooh, he annihilated that. Look how he munched that, guys. Look at that. He wanted that. He wanted it bad. I'll let you go right here. Hopefully you will swim past that camera. And hopefully I will not fall into the lake in the process. And okay, you're gone. You're gone. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, we have stick down. And the lure's back. Alright guys, so now that the rain has let up a little bit and I feel a little more comfortable bringing out the big camera, let's take a moment to talk about what we're fishing with and how we're fishing it so I can impart a little bit of knowledge onto you. What we're fishing with today is a Mepps Agula, and we're throwing it on a 5.6 ultralight with 4-pound test monofilament line. When it comes to fishing these light spinners like this, I like to throw it on the lightest possible tackle that I can. Take a moment to talk about how I'm fishing it. There's a couple different ways you can fish the inline spinner. You know, it's a nice lure because all you have to do is just throw it out and reel it in. That's it. That's all you really have to do is lure. Alright, so like I said, you can just throw it out there and reel it in. But there's another thing that you can do with this. You guys have seen me in the video so far counting down the lure. The drop rate of this lure is about a foot a second. So I can actually gauge how deep the water is, like this. Cast it out there, it hits the water, start counting 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6. It's about 16 feet right there. Now what I was doing is as soon as that lure hit the water, I went ahead and reeled in the slack of the line. Not all of it, but most of the slack. And then I watched my line and I waited for it to go completely slack. You'll notice there'll be a little bit of tension on it and then it will go completely slack. At that point it's at the bottom. So right now I know my lure is somewhere around 16 feet down and it's sitting on the bottom. So I can reel it in. And what we've been doing today is just letting it sink and doing a nice slow retrieve. And we've been doing that slow retrieve today because it is so cold and it's winter time. Now this isn't something that you necessarily use for bass during the winter. I'm targeting trout, which like the cold water, they're a little bit more active in the cold. That's it for the tutorial. I'm gonna get back to doing some fishing and catching some fish. Hey guys, and just to point out, you know, the Mepps don't only catch trout in the winter, they also catch little bitty bass. Look at that guy. Let's get focus in on him. Oh, too close. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, look at him. Look at him. That little largemouth. Yeah, ain't he pretty? See, you can catch bass on him too.
What we do here is go back.
Switched over to the GoPro on the head. Oh, alrighty guys, we're back to the ultralight and the Mepps. Because it produces in this pond. And bass tackle, well, bass tackle doesn't produce in this pond. This is the way to go. If you're fishing here, right there, that sign, there, watch the video and see if you read the sign. We got a fish. Hey, we got another one, guys. Oh, it cut off. Oh no. 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 Let's have a moment of silence for that lost fish. Alright guys, well we couldn't quite make anything happen there at the end with the bass tackle, then switching back to trout tackle. And we lost that one fish, and that really hurts. It really, really hurts. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you stayed with me this long to make it all the way to the end, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Your subscriptions let me know you care. Otherwise, that's all I got for you guys for this one. Don't forget to get out and fish more. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.